Hello everyone, it's Cleophia again, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this very simple shrug. What I like about the design of this shrug is the change in color. As you can see in the front view, in the front of the shrug, the change in color is horizontal. And then in the back, by design, the change in color is vertical. So this is what's unique about this shrug. And let me just show you quickly the dimensions. So from side to side, this is about 38 inches. And from top to bottom, when folded, is about 16 inches. Now, let's get started. For the materials, I used 2 skeins of Caron Big Cakes yarn in Toffee Brickle color. I used size I 5.5mm for the crochet hook. I also needed a pair of scissors, blunt needle, markers, and tape measure. So let's start with a knot and chain 115. This is now 115 chains. Do a foundation row, single crochet in second chain from hook. So 1, 2, single crochet in this chain, and single crochet in the next chain, and in each chain across. So single crochet for the foundation row. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be back when I'm done with my foundation row. And this is now my foundation row. Row 1, chain 1, turn, skip the first stitch, shell in the next. So shell is single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, same stitch, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and we just did our shell. Skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and repeat the pattern, shell again. So single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, and 3. We just did our second shell. Repeat, skip 3 stitches, and shell in the next stitch. So single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches again, and shell in the next. Single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I just did my shell. Now skip 3 stitches and do the last shell of the row. So single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now to end this row, there are 4 stitches left. So we're going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and just single crochet on the last stitch of the row. So this is how to end row 1, and this is what row 1 looks like. Row 2. From here, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So this is the chain 3 space. We're going to single crochet in this space here. chain 1. This one, the next single crochet right here, we're going to double crochet in this stitch. So the next single crochet, double crochet in this stitch. Chain 1, then repeat the pattern of single crochet in the next chain 3 space, which is this one. So single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet, which is this stitch. So double crochet in this stitch, chain 1, and single crochet in the next chain 3 space on this space here. This is what it looks like. Repeat, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the pattern. So chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet here, chain 1, single crochet in the last chain 3 space, and to end this row we're going to chain 1 and double crochet in the last stitch here. So double crochet in this stitch, and this is how to end row 2, and this is what row 2 looks like. Row 3, from here we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. We're going to skip the next chain 1 space and double crochet in this single crochet here. So double crochet in this stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet on this double crochet here. We're going to double crochet here, chain 1, repeat the pattern, double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in the next double crochet here. This is what it looks like. Continue, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next DC. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the pattern. So from here, I'm going to chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in the third stitch of the turning chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet in this stitch to end row 3. So this is how to end row 3, and this is what row 3 looks like. Row 4, from here we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and then on the next chain 1 space right here, we're going to double crochet in this space, and then in the next chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then repeat the pattern of 2 double crochets in each chain 1 space. So 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space again, 2. This is what it looks like. Continue with 2 double crochets again in the next chain 1 space. So 1, 2, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the pattern. So in the next chain 1 space, 2 double crochets again. And then in the last space here, we're going to double crochet on this space, 1 double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet on the third chain of the turning chain 4. So in this stitch here, one last double crochet to end row 4. So this is how to end row 4, and this is what row 4 looks like. Row 5. From here, we're going to chain 1, turn, skip the first stitch, this one, and on the next stitch, we're going to shell, which is single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. So again, we did our first shell. Looks like this. Skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and shell in the next stitch. So again, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Second shell. Repeat the pattern, skip 3 stitches, and shell in the next. Single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches and shell in the next. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row. I'm just going to continue with the pattern. So skip 3 stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, and do our last shell. So single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now to end this row, we're going to skip 1 stitch here on this double crochet stitch, and then single crochet on top of the turning chain 3 right here. So this is how to end row 5, and this is what row 5 looks like. To check our work, there should be 28 shells in this row. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So repeat rows 2 to 5 until piece measures about 38 inches. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I have 38 inches of my piece to show you the next step. This is now what my piece looks like after 38 inches. I ended my piece with row 4 of the pattern. See, this is row 4. Turn the piece sideways, so from horizontal, now it's vertical, the change in color. And then fold the piece halfway. So from the top, fold the piece halfway down like so. Then on the left edge, from the folded side, measure about 7 inches. So from the top, from the folded side right here, measure about 7 inches and put a marker right here. And then from the marker down to the opening. So from here down to the opening, sew the edges together using single crochet. And do the same step on the other side. Then weave the ends, clean up the tails, and we're done. And this is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.